Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download VScode, Visual Studio Code, so we can be able to write our code. So quickly, what we have to do is to go to our Google Chrome, or if you are using Mozilla browser or other browser, you can use it. Go to your search and search for VScode. Press enter. When you press enter, you will see this page. You can click this page or you can click download direct. So when I click download, it will take me to another page where I will be able to download the Visual Studio Code. So this one is for Mac, this one is for Ubuntu, and this one is for Windows. If you are using Mac system, download this. If you are using Ubuntu, download this. If you are using Windows, so you have to download this. So I'm using Windows today, so I'm going to have to download this right now. So let me click so you can see how it goes. After clicking this, it will automatically start downloading. See, now because I've already have it, I will pause it. I've already have it, you can see it here. I've already downloaded it. This is it. It will take 95.9 megabytes. So let me pause it and cancel it because I've already downloaded it. So that's all. Then you can close this page. So let's go to our download page to be able to install it. So this is our download page, you can see. So this is it. I've already installed it. You can see today. So I've already downloaded one before 7. This is another one I downloaded yesterday. So I will double click it to start installing it. When you double click, left click and double click. So I will click accept here. Next. You see this place is if you want it to create a shortcut desktop icon here, so you have to click this. If you uncheck it, it will not create any desktop icon here. You have to go and find it wherever it's installed. So I will click it so it can be able to create a shortcut icon for me. So I will click next. Now it will start installing. Look at this place very well. Look at it very carefully. After it's finished installing, when it's installed finished, it will create an icon here for you to be able to start using it gently. So let's just wait for it to finish whatsoever it's doing right now. Let it install finish, then we can be able to see it here. Then we can use it whenever we want to use it. Now you can see now we are done. I don't want to notch it right now. I unclick this, so I press finished. So that's all for now. Once again, my name is Anwar ayofe akorede. So have a great day. Thank you.